Well, top of the morning to you. Fancy a wee dram, do ya? Okay, my name might be Erin, but that's the extent of my Irish. Despite that, I am still in a jubilant and celebratory spirit. St. Patrick's Day is only a few days away, and here in Toronto, it is always cause for occasion as people flood the pubs to get in touch with their Irish roots, regardless of whether or not they have them. It's still a fun time, and to mark the occasion, I am going to be having a gorgeous Irish cocktail, one of my favorites, and I'm going to show you how to make it too. Hi friends, I'm Erin from the Wine Sisters, and welcome to our channel where every week we show you how to eat, drink, and entertain like a pro. And today we are only days away from St. Patrick's Day, and this is indeed a time and an occasion where the green beer will be flowing. And I think that is absolutely disgusting. So instead, I'm opting for a gorgeous Irish cocktail that I think is elegant, classy, delicious, and everyone will love. This is a riff on the Manhattan. It's what I call the Dave's Manhattan because my dad, whose name is Dave, showed me how to make it. So it's probably good that I call it the Dave's Manhattan because it would be weird if my dad's name was Steve, right? Anyway, Manhattans, which are a different sort of ilk, they can be made with bourbons or scotches even. They can be made with rye or Canadian whiskeys, but let's Irish this up by making it with a base of Irish whiskey. And in fact, that is actually my preferred spirit for this cocktail. I'm gonna show you how to make it right now. So into a mixing glass filled with ice, so we're using a mixing glass, not a shaker for this, we are going to add in 2 ounces of your preferred Irish whiskey. Right into it goes, 2 ounces. We're also going to add in 1 ounce of sweet vermouth or red vermouth. Into it goes. See? Easy peasy. Nothing to it so far. We are then going to add in a couple of dashes of bitters. Now, classically, you might want to use Angostura or Peychaud's. I have a cherry bitters here, so I'm just going to give it a couple shakes of cherry bitters because I think it amplifies that cherry taste. Here's where things get interesting as I wave my magic spoon at you. I have a jar of really great maraschino cherries, not those weird neon ones that you get at the grocery store, but true blue, true purple maraschino cherry. So I'm going to use about a bar spoonful of cherry juice. Right in it goes. Isn't that glorious? Just get that all wiped off. Give that a little stir. Now, we're gonna stir it all up, of course. Actually, this bar spoon isn't working too badly. If you don't have a bar spoon at home, you can always use a chopstick. It works brilliantly and I use it all the time. But this is working really nicely. So give it a really good stir. Maybe 10, 20, 30 seconds. All that beautiful cherry juice has come off my spoon. It's all mixed in together. I've got my strainer. I've got my chilled coupe. Now, we are going to put this into a coupe. It doesn't have any ice in it. If you wanted to serve it over ice, which I don't, but if you wanted to, you would put it into a rocks glass. But really, I like it straight up. We're going to strain it into our coupe. Look at that gorgeous color, kids. Isn't that great? Don't you love that? I love a good cocktail. Then we are going to garnish it. I'm a bit of a hedonist, so I'm using 2 cherries. So look how gorgeous those cherries are. They're also going to continue to flavor the drink. It's going to be excellent. And that's our Dave's Manhattan, an Irish whiskey-based cocktail, loosely riffed, closely riffed, I don't know, riffed in general, on the Manhattan, but I suppose you could call it the Emerald, whatever you want. It's St. Patrick's Day. Do you? So if you'd like more ideas for whiskey-based cocktails to celebrate St. Patrick's Day, just click here for our Whiskey Smash. It's absolutely exceptional and I adore it. So you can use that one as well for your St. Patrick's Day follies. Leave us a comment below and let me know what you're getting up to, how you're celebrating St. Patrick's Day, what you're eating, what you're drinking. I always love to know. And if you found this video enjoyable, please share it, give us a like, and even hit subscribe and that bell so you can be alerted to every time we drop a new video, which is every Wednesday. All right, guys, happy St. Patrick's Day. Until next week, stay well, drink better. Slante.